our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Today's video is basically on the update of our previous video on aloe vera plant. If you have not checked the previous video, check out the link on the screen. So in previous video, if you guys remember, we had done one experiment on this aloe vera. It was all brown and was not healthy at all.
We're going to the party. We're going to eat cake. We're going to run.
What was that? Can I continue?
That was a cake. That was a birthday song.
No, we are talking about plants.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'm talking
So
about
be
birthday.
quiet and listen to me. So in the previous video, I had done one experiment by shifting this plant from outside to indoor, and you guys can check the difference, like what it was before the 6 days and what it is today. I mean, there is a lot of improvement in the color. Yes, it's still not healthy as the leaves are not pulpy yet, but I'm sure that after a few weeks health will also get improved and leaves will also get started pulpy. So this experiment works. So if you have any aloe vera which is turning brown, do try this. Do try keeping them indoors. And I try this to almost my all the plants. If I notice any sudden drooping the leaves or yellowing the leaves, first thing I do is changing the place. And second thing, we need to keep a watch on the watering. That's it. So this was all about aloe vera care. Now let's talk about few benefits of aloe vera. First, aloe vera is a good source of immunity booster, the gel of it. Second, it helps in burns or cuts if you have any. Third, it helps in reducing cholesterol. Fourth, if you have any cavity problem, you can use it as a paste and brush shot it with the gel. Fifth, it helps in reducing wrinkles. You can apply the gel of it over all your face and it will help in improving your wrinkles. Sixth, it helps in hair growth. Seventh, can be used as a good drink for a diabetic person. Eighth, you can use it as a weight loss drink. Ninth, if you have a running nose problem, take out the gel from its leaf and make a paste. Put 2-3 drops of it paste on your nose, inside your nose, as any normal nose drop, and it will help in improving your running nose problem also. And last but not the least, it's a good air purifying plant. So it is a plant everyone should keep inside, must have plant. Let's try making one drink out of aloe vera juice for a diabetic person. What we need is aloe vera, lemon and honey. How do we cut this? Take out this part from the edges. You can store the gel also in the fridge for few days. You can take out the gel, keep it in the jar and store it. Do not dare to taste it as it is. It tastes very bitter. So I suggest you should add some lemon, some honey, and if required some salt also, and make a juice. It. Let's add some lemon to it. And 1 spoon sitting with me. Now we'll add some water to it and we'll blend it. So our aloe vera juice is ready. Let's try tasting how it tastes. Mohit, would you like to taste it?
No,
Please.
I just like salt.
Yeah, I have salt also. See, I've got salt. Please
I
come.
don't want to eat
Okay.
salt.
Okay.
I like to eat salt.
Yeah, come here. Please, baby. Okay, he's not interested in tasting. Let me try. It tastes like normal lemon juice only. We should add some salt to it. I have not added salt yet. And I'm not going to finish it all. I'm going to keep it for someone, the cameraman. So, this was all about aloe vera. Hope you guys liked this video. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Mohit, you want to say? Like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye
Please,
bye.
from here, come this side.
Bye.
Mohit is going to end this video.
Bye bye.
Say, if you like this video,
If you like this video, come to here.
what? Come today. Say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget to like,
Share
share,
and subscribe.
share, and ride a bike.
Bye bye. And yes, Mohit has learned a new song of Hello. Would you like to sing?
Hello.
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 Hello. Thank you. Bye bye.